Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crown with Nobile. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're a newbie here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the family. So I'll start right away. Let me not waste any more of your time. And yeah. I'll be doing a soft glam. I realized doing voiceovers is so hard, so I'll be going in with my primer, Fix and Protect Rimmel. Okay, once I'm done with that, I look kind of whitish, but it's this primer. Using this palette, so we're going in with this. Dab, 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 and then I'll be mixing it with this kitty brown man. And then we're done. So I think I'm gonna do an eyeliner, something I'm not even good at, but yet. Okay, so one thing I realized about this palette, what you see is not what you get, because I used this and this, but I'm bored. And then for my eyeliner, I'm gonna be doing this off camera because I'm not perfect. I'll be using the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner. Before, I think this is the second time I tried thingy. Let me figure in the, I don't like this, hey, like I want to put lashes on and see how they're gonna look, but dinje well, it's just not bad. I feel like the eyelashes get very big. Anyways, let's proceed. They look like dengue and I don't like that. Anyways, since we're doing a flawless thingy, I'm not gonna start with foundation, so I'm gonna start with concealer. So I'm doing I'm applying everything all at once. Then for contour, I'll be using the Pro Concealer LA Girl in shade Espresso. Afterwards, we'll be doing some foundation, FitMe, Caramel 350. So I'm gonna put it here. So I'll be using a brush as my applicator. So you're just gonna blend everything. Blending is so flawless, my god. Let me highlight some more. The thing is, you can never have enough highlight. Enough concealer. Then afterwards, we're going to set everything. I'll be using this Yardley Loose powder in Caramelized. Okay, so using a clean brush, I'll be dusting. So I'll be going in with pressed powder from Avon in your natural pan. To set my contour, I'll be using this Revlon complexion powder in cinnamon. But like one and already. I'm gonna line my eyes with a black. Once all is done, I'm using the Rimmel Day to Night Glam Eyes Mascara. There's length and volume. So we'll start with length. One thing about her, she's a big stepper. Then you go to volume. Now to lips, I'll be using this Huda Beauty. What told you? It's an steady eyebrow, but I'm just gonna line my lips. You're gonna leave it on a kill so because I knew like oh and take it one. Oh, using the MAC, I used that on my last video. I loved it so much, and I can give it a kiss. I can give it a like on the previous video that I shoot. I wanna let my piano. It just smells nice. No problem. So just to, I'm gonna use this black eye. Okay, love, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Crowning with Mobile. See you in the next video.